Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this XIAOMI smartphone. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to scroll down and click on Apps section. Then click on App Lock at the bottom and choose Turn On. Over here you need to create your pattern that you will use to open your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, choose Next at the bottom right corner over here. And if you wish to sign in and add your Me account. If you don't want to do it now, just tap on Not Now, wait 5 seconds and choose Not Now again in the pop-up. Then, if you wish to lock all of those apps, just tap on Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of them. Check for 0 over here and tap on Use App Lock then. If you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, click on Settings in the pop-up. I will go with Cancel though. Now finally, you can click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock. In my case, maybe Recorder. So now when I go back and access Recorder app, I can set pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from your app, you need to go into exactly the same settings, enter your app lock, and click on the same switcher next to your app. If you wish to disable app lock completely though, click on this gear icon at the top right corner, and click on this switcher next to app lock. Then click on OK in the pop-up. Now when I go back, as you can see, app lock is completely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!